Welcome to Lumea. Clean and store. After completing your treatment, it's important to clean and store your device. Always unplug Lumea, including the adapter. This will prevent damaging the device.
After unplugging, let your Lumea device cool down for 15 minutes.
Gently pull off the attachment. To start cleaning the device, dampen the soft Lumea cleaning cloth you received in the original box with a few drops of water. Note that you should not use the device in wet surroundings and do not let water run into the device. Clean each part of the attachment you used, including the metal reflectors. Also clean the light exit window. Make sure there is no dirt, residue, or moisture left on the surface of the light exit window. Note, the face attachment has an extra filter that needs to be cleaned. Make sure the attachment, including the Smart Skin sensor, is protected from damage. Note that your device should always have an attachment on when storing it. Store all parts in the original packaging or in the provided pouch in a dust-free and dry place. Is your Lumea stored securely? Then it's time to plan your next treatment.